Today's Bible verse comes from Psalm chapter 3, verse 3, King James Version. But thou, O Lord, art a shield for me, my glory and the lifter up of mine head. Psalm 3:3 is a declaration of faith by David while fleeing his son Absalom, asserting that God is his protective shield, his true glory, and the one who lifts his head in times of shame or despair. It highlights God as a secure defense, a source of honor, and a restorer of confidence and hope. Key aspects of Psalm 3:3. Number 1. But you, Lord, are a shield around me. David feels surrounded by enemies, but focuses on God as a shield or buckler that surrounds him completely above, below, and on all sides, offering total protection. Number 2. My glory. Despite being driven from his throne in shame, that God is his source of honor and status, not his position as king. Number 3. The lifter up of my head. A bowed head indicates sadness, shame, or defeat. God lifting the head means he restores David's confidence, hope, and dignity, removing the shame of his situation. In essence, David wrote this after facing betrayal and a loss of safety, demonstrating how to look past fear to God's presence. Amen.